Oh, hello. This is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak. For many years, I mainly use sauce to season my food, such as oyster sauce, soy sauce, and hoisin sauce. This is a convenient way to season my food, but I really have no understanding of what I am putting into my food. After I start practicing my perfect cooking system, I decided to lower the sugar and salt intake. I started to research how to make food flavorful but at the same time nutritional. So I started to experiment with different seasoning agents. Over the past several years, I have been testing them either by themselves or combine them together. I try to use a systematic approach, not that different from the scientific approach that I use when I was doing research in my laboratory. In order to understand the flavor of the food ingredients better, I start to taste the raw ingredients during the time when I'm doing the prepping. I was delighted by their natural flavor, which was a big surprise to me. I decided the first step of my seasoning goal is to enhance the natural flavor of the food ingredients. After looking at a number of possible candidates, I come up with the following 7 seasoning agents that I find it to be the best. They are mushroom seasonings, minced onion flakes, garlic powder, lemon pepper, cumin, paprika, and ginger powder. I tested different combinations to create what I call the basic seasoning mix. Please see my video on my basic seasoning agents. I use my masala double to store my basic seasoning set. Please see my video on the use of a masala double. The masala double is extremely helpful because each time when I open up the masala double, I have all the 7 seasoning agents right in front of me. With each seasoning bowl contain its own dispensing spoon, it makes it so convenient and very conducive to try different combinations. Instead of setting up each individual seasoning bottle, now I can dispensing the seasoning agents on the fly. After spending close to a year trying different combinations on different type of food and different type of dishes, I feel that I finally have developed some insights of how to use these seasoning agents. And now I have a pretty good idea of how each seasoning agents work with different type of food ingredients, and I now get a sense of how much should I put in for different situations. And ultimately, my goal is to enhance the natural flavor of the food ingredients with these seasoning agents. I strongly recommend to try the ingredients raw because it will give you a good idea what it might taste like in a dish after you cook them. And now it has come to a point, each time when I cook, I opening up my masala double and I add the seasoning agents directly to the food almost instinctively. Most observers get the impression that I am doing this randomly, but of course this is not the case. A student often asks me how I do this during my class or on my YouTube videos. They like how I season my food, and they ask me, could I prepare a mix for them to use directly on their food when they cook? Consequently, I developed this seasoning mix, use these 7 seasoning agents based on the proportion that of my preference. I start to make them available for sale for my students in the class, and they really like it. I thought I would always use my masala double to season my food. But to my surprise, I start to use this seasoning mix already prepared simply for convenience. I now use my seasoning mix for almost most of the dishes that I cook. It provides the basic foundation, and I can always make additional changes if I would like to. Sometimes my family members will use these basic seasonings directly on their food, using it as a substitute for salt. In my cooking classes, I always ask the student to put a small pinch at the tip of their tongues so they could taste what it is like before they put it in their cooking. I'm going to make this available online through my website so people can get it and have a taste what it is like. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you would like to receive notification of my future video postings. See you next time.